Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. We have already studied about reflection of light. In today's class, we are going to study about the refraction of light. Before moving on to the actual definition and the meaning of what do you mean by refraction of light, let us first recall some day-to-day examples. We know that when light goes from one transparent medium, its path seems to be straight, in a straight line. But what happens when light goes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium? So this we will recall from some day-to-day activities. So this is a glass and we have inserted a pencil inside it. We have kept a pencil inside it. ठीक है, glass के अंदर हमने एक pencil रखी है. Now what we are going to do is we take some water and we start filling the glass. So what happens that when we fill the glass partly immersed, when we fill the glass with pencil partly immersed in it, so we observe that the pencil looks slightly displaced at the interface. See, you can see that this is the glass water interface and you can see that the pencil inside water has this direction and the pencil above has this direction. So when you see this interface, see the glass water, the air and the water interface. Interface means the separation. So when you see this interface, at the interface you observe that the pencil is slightly displaced. नीचे का पार्ट कहीं और है और ऊपर का ये जो पार्ट है वो कहीं और है. So at air and water interface, air और water का जो separation है उसमें जो पेंसिल है वो हमें slightly displaced नजर आती है. ठीक है, slightly displaced दिखती है. So this is a large shallow bowl. Now what we do is we put a coin in it. Okay, we have placed a coin in it. Now we move away slowly from the bowl. And when we will stop when the coin just disappears from our sight. So we move away and we stop when the coin just disappears. So now the coin just disappears from our sight. Now what we are going to do is we will pour water gently into the bowl without disturbing the coin. So when we pour water, so see, now we are able to see the coin. So now what we do is we make arrows of this type, all the arrows pointing in one direction. Now what we do is we place those arrows behind the glass filled with water. When we place these arrows behind the glass filled with water, we observe that the direction of arrows changes. The arrows now point to the opposite direction. See, we had made the arrows going to some other direction and the arrows are now pointing towards different direction, the opposite direction. The arrows were made pointing towards my right and now the arrows are going pointing towards the left. So this is also due to the refraction of light. So now we have already recalled some examples and activities. Now we are going to see the reason, that what is the reason behind this observations which we have observed in the activities. So the first activity which we did was कि हमने क्या किया, एक pencil को we placed it inside water, partly immersed in water and partly in air. So this portion is air and the water is filled partly in this glass. So this is water. So the pencil is partially immersed in water. What did we observe? We observed that at this interface, at the air and water interface, we could see the pencil slightly displaced, okay, from its place. We were not able to see the pencil in a single straight line. The pencil was not like this, in a single straight line, but it was in this manner. The pencil was slightly displaced. Okay, so what is the reason behind it? what happens that when light goes from one medium to another, means the light is going from water to air or air to water, light changes its direction, changes its path gets changed, its direction gets changed. So due to this change in direction, we could see the pencil slightly displaced at the interface. So it seems, if we observe this portion, the portion which is in the air. So if we look at this portion, we can observe that it feels that the light is coming from this path. Someone keeping an eye over here, someone observing from here it will feel to him कि लाइट कहां से आ रही है, इस पोर्शन से आ रही है, बट एक्चुअल पोजीशन ऑफ द पेंसिल इज दिस. सो दिस हैपेंस because of refraction of light. Okay, so there are many examples. For example, the coin, if we immerse a coin in a bucket full of water, we feel that the coin is slightly lifted. Okay, if we place a glass slab, a rectangular piece of glass slab over our book in which lines are written, in which letters are written, over some letters, so the letters look lifted up. Okay, so these all phenomena, these all examples are due to refraction. Now, what is refraction of light? So when light goes from one medium to another, its direction changes. For example, this is medium 1 and say this is medium 2. This is the path of the light ray. Now what happens that when the light goes from one medium 1 to another, the actual path of the light ray was this one. This was the actual path. But when the light goes from one transparent medium to another, its path slightly changes. So this change in direction of light is known as bending of light. The light ray bends. It is known as bending of light. And this bending of light, when it goes from one medium to another, is known as refraction of light. So what is the definition for refraction? Refraction is the bending of light when it passes from one medium to another. Now, what is the reason behind this bending and what are the factors related to this? We will study. This is medium 1. This is the ray of light. Now, this is a perpendicular which is drawn at the interface of medium 1 and medium 2. And this perpendicular is known as normal. Okay, this is the normal. Now, the angle between incident ray, this is the incident ray, and normal is known as the angle of incidence. The light undergoes bending. So this ray is known as the refracted ray because refraction is taking place. And the angle between normal and refracted ray is the angle of refraction. Okay. So now the original path for the light was this, but the light will bend because it is passing from one medium to another. तो जब लाइट एक मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम में जाती है तो बेंड हो जाती है. ओरिजिनल पाथ लाइट का ये था, बट क्योंकि वो बेंड हो गई, सो नाउ उसका जो पाथ है वो ये हो गया. अब ये बेंडिंग किसी भी तरह से हो सकती है. सो बेंडिंग इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स. वन इज दिस वन, और जो दूसरी है वो इस तरह से है, द सेकेंड वन. सो नाउ व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू एंड दिस हैपन, ये कब होता है और इन दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है, ठीक है। सो लेट अस मेक द टू डायग्राम्स सेपरेटली। And here the second one. This is the light ray which is incident, and this is the original path for the ray of light. Okay, and here this is the original path for the ray of light. Okay, now what we do is we draw normal on both the diagrams. We draw normal to both the diagrams. Okay, now if the light ray bends in this manner, that is, ये हमारा ओरिजिनल पाथ है, ओरिजिनल पाथ के अंदर, सो दिस इज नोन एज बेंडिंग टूवर्ड्स द नॉर्मल, नॉर्मल की तरफ. दिस इज द एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन, this is the angle of incident, and this is the refracted ray. So this type of bending is known as bending towards the normal. Okay, if the light ray goes in this way, मतलब जो ओरिजिनल पाथ है उससे बाहर, ये ओरिजिनल पाथ से अंदर और वो ओरिजिनल पाथ से बाहर अगर वैसे जाती है, so this is the angle of refraction and this is known as bending away from the normal. तो ये दो तरह की बेंडिंग होती है. दिस इज बेंडिंग टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्मल एंड दिस इज बेंडिंग अवे फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल, एंड दिस इज द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस. For the same angle of incidence, we observe that here the angle of refraction is less than angle of incidence, and in this case the angle of refraction is greater than the angle of incidence. Now what are the factors on which these two depend? So now the factors on which these two depend is, first one is the density, and the most important factor, the optical density of a medium. So the optical density of a medium decides that whether the light will bend towards the normal or away from the normal. Now what is this density? So we know that density, mass density is, what is mass density? It is mass per unit volume. कि मतलब कोई भी चीज, कोई भी substance कितना गाढ़ा है, that is known as density of a medium. So medium दो तरह के होते हैं, one is denser and the other is rarer. Okay, it is a comparative word. जब हम दो mediums को compare करेंगे, so one will be the denser medium and the other one will be a rarer medium. Okay, so suppose if the first medium is rarer and the other medium, second medium, is denser. Rarer medium, what do you mean by rarer medium? The particles in a rarer medium will be loosely packed, very far away, दूर रहेंगे. एक rarer medium में जो particles है medium के, वो क्या रहेंगे? दूर. And in a denser medium, the particles of the medium, जो medium के particles है, वो कैसे रहेंगे? वो पास में रहेंगे as compared to that of the rarer medium. Now what happens that in a rarer medium, light की जो speed है वो ज्यादा है. क्यों? Because the light gets a lot of space to move, क्योंकि particles बहुत दूर है. So the speed of light in a rarer medium is more as compared to the speed of light in a denser medium. So the speed of light rarer medium में बहुत ज्यादा है और denser medium में कम है. So जब light एक rarer medium से denser medium में enter होती है, so its speed reduces suddenly. उसकी speed जो है वो suddenly क्या हो जाती है? कम हो जाती है. इस speed के reduce होने की वजह से, इस speed के change होने की वजह से लाइट में बेंडिंग होती है एंड इट बेंड्स टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्मल और एंगल ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन कम हो जाता है. सिमिलरली अगर लाइट डेंसर मीडियम से रेरर मीडियम में जाती है, ठीक है, इन द डेंसर मीडियम द पार्टिकल्स ऑफ अ डेंसर मीडियम बहुत पास है, तो जो पार्टिकल्स है डेंसर मीडियम में पास होने की वजह से स्पीड ऑफ लाइट इज वेरी लेस, एंड इन अ रेरर मीडियम द पार्टिकल्स आर far away, so the speed of light is more. So when the light enters from a denser medium to a rarer medium, the speed of light increases. So speed of light increase होने की वजह से angle of refraction increases. So speed is the major factor for refraction to take place. So speed of light जब एक मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम में लाइट रे जाती है और जब उसकी स्पीड चेंज हो जाती है, द स्पीड ऑफ लाइट चेंजेस, सो दिस इज द रीजन फॉर रिफ्रैक्शन टू अकर. इसलिए रिफ्रैक्शन होता है, लाइट रे बेंड हो जाती है, दैट इज देयर इज अ चेंज इन डायरेक्शन ऑफ लाइट रे. ओके, सो व्हेन द लाइट रे गोज फ्रॉम अ रेयर मीडियम टू डेंसर मीडियम, इट्स स्पीड रिड्यूसेस and the light ray bends towards the normal. This is because of the density. And when the light goes from a denser medium to a rarer medium, its speed increases and it bends away from the normal. Okay, so this is all with the definition for refraction of light, and this is all with today's class. So the reason behind the shift, the displacement of the pencil when immersed in water is this bending of light. When the light ray goes from water to air, it bends. For example, we take a rarer medium as air and denser medium as water. So when the ray of light, or in this case, the denser medium as water and rarer medium as air. So when the ray of light goes from water to air, its direction changes. There is a bending. तो हम कहां से देख रहे हैं? एयर से. हमारी आईज कहां पर है? इन द एयर. तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि जो लाइट रे है वो कहां से आ रही है? यहां से, बिकॉज हम ये वाला पार्ट देख पा रहे हैं. दिस पार्ट इज विजिबल टू अस. ये पार्ट हमारे लिए विजिबल नहीं है, तो हमारी आईज को ऐसा लगता है कि लाइट रेज कहां से आ रही है? यहां से. बट एक्चुअली द पार्ट ऑफ रे ऑफ लाइट इज दिस वन. सो दिस डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज ड्यू टू द बेंडिंग ऑफ light. This is all with today's class.